everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and more. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are coming along with Finally Crafting. It is an open collab that is hosted by myself and my friend Tree from Craft On. You guys are welcome to join in at any time. It is a hosted every third Wednesday of the month. And you guys, yeah. So, anyways, just come on, join us at any time again. And it's basically using those crafts items that you've had and haven't used. And today I will be showing you guys what I ended up using. You guys, I've had stuff that I've had in my craft that I've never opened, never used. And yeah, so please. We have to use these craft items, you guys. You guys do not know how important it is to use them. So I did use my Sutter machine. I had this in my box forever, never used it. I think I just opened it and I just left it alone. And yeah, I was a little afraid to use it. Um, don't really read instructions, so in a way, it was a little intimidating. I did have to use a YouTube. So I'm right here. I'm showing basically that I wish that the sides, or it could just cut in the middle, but like yeah, like that, like I'm showing right there. But it, like I said, it probably will look weird. So anyways, I am revoicing my video because I heard a lot of static noise. I'm not too sure what happened. Anyway, so yeah. So um it was nice using this machine. Like I said, I've never used it before and I just had to play with it. And of course, with finally crafting it, it is a time to start using those items that we've hoarded or haven't used. I also use this my mind's eye. So I practically finished it. So I was really excited. I finally finished something almost, just like a few items that are left. But hey, it is an accomplishment. And I also ended up using this what is it called? It's like a glass glitter thing. I just can't remember what it is called exactly. If you guys do know, let me know because I forgot. But it's glass and yeah, so just be careful whenever you use this, it's you don't want to cut yourself. I also use this Project Life. Um Project Life, those things that go in between for the paper or whatever they're called again. And yeah, it's kind of hard doing a voiceover, you guys. So, anyways, so yeah, of course, you would have to have this for the Sutter machine. So, yeah, or you can use string or ribbon, it's whatever you want to use as well. It's other ideas you could use. And I think that's it. All I used. I did use Michael's Recollection paper pad that I had from 2025. So yeah, here I'm showing you guys the extra stuff that came with this machine and just, yeah, YouTube helps a lot, you guys. So Recollection Summer Paper Pad from 2025 is what I used. I did use it on a previous project. But it's so hot here, you guys, really hot. So it doesn't feel like spring. It seems like spring just like was a day or two, and yeah, it's gone. So anyway, so this is what I ended up creating. Of course, I used all my uh, cardboard stickers here or chipboard stickers. Yeah, it's late, you guys. I'm doing this video really late. Anyway, so those are the rings there right there. And there you go. Look at how cute. I love it. I actually did love it. I liked that I could at least do the ends for those ring binders right there. As you guys could see there, that is where I use that glass. I don't remember what it's called. Sorry, you guys. Anyway, so so I thought this was a cute project. A laugh and yeah, it's laugh and play, I guess. Yeah. Anyways, how cute is this? I love it. I really, really love it. Anyways, so you guys, thank you for taking the time to watch, and you guys are always welcome to join in at any time. Me and Tree appreciate everyone that watches and joins in. And yeah, so don't yeah, just join us at any time, you guys. Thank you again for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.